No, you're right.
But if you're like beautiful with a perfect body, perfect face, and a nasty soul, I will tell you that you are nasty, you look disgusting, and you're a troll.
Amen.
Yep.
Amen. Okay, so we'll go to the right again, just one last time. Perfect. It's like spiritual.
Super. I feel like I should be hearing gongs and shit.
I know. You know, that's... No, you're correct. The little Thai or Tibetan sound bowls.
Yes, the bowls, yes.
They're a little expensive. Like, they've always have been, but they're worth it. You buy one, you're good for life. You never have to buy another one, ever. I always want to give a class on it, but I need to learn it. Yeah, I can't afford the bowls. Because they're different sizes. And I want the real.
And they're different crystals too.
There's all types of stuff.
Yeah, depending on what crystal they're made out of, it's all different.
That's right. Do you feel in the air? Okay. I just don't want it to be too high.
No, it feels good. When I have my own place, my own spa or treatment room, whatever I end up with first, I want to do holistic stuff.
Right.
I really like this. It's a little bit hot now.
It is? Okay. Sorry.
It's okay.
Getting back to neutral. It is warm. It's hot.
I said it's really cool.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm opening my eyes and looking at it.
Oh, you can. Yep. It's not going to do anything crazy. And you're right, it is pretty hot. Because I just touched the... Jeez. It's probably at the end of its little life. I only put a short one in there. Do you still feel it on the head though? Oh, sorry. Alex, sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. I used to work with kids. I've had my hair pulled out plenty of times.
I work with
I was a nanny for this baby like for 2 years. And I worked at a, what's it called? a daycare for a while. And then when I started esthetician school, Miss Ray caught up pretty quick that I'm good with kids and that I like kids. And at the time, I was still a nanny for these 2 kids that were a little bit older. But you know, I'm finally done working with kids. I've been working with kids since I was like 16, and so I'm finally like ready for a big girl job. And then I get to school, and then she's like, "Oh, you know, there's estheticians that specialize in children." And I was like, "Stop it! Stop trying to stick me with these little kids. I'm ready for some adult interaction."
Exactly.
I was like, I can't get away from it. Not even a mom yet, and I feel like one kind of hurts a little.
It's burning.
Yeah.
Okay, it's probably at its last, yeah. So that's how I'll notice that. Okay, cool. That was good feedback. So that cap, it never really stays too hot here, so you can always feel free to, you know what I mean, screw it, because it's down here, you know what I mean, like that. Yeah, it is hot.
It's
yeah,
metal,
it's what we feel. Right, it's like crazy hot. So, but here it's not because it shrunk down.
That's so dope. Oh, so wait, that whole thing?
Yeah, it's not dark all the way down. I guess it conducted the heat, and it's still. I mean, it's still got a good portion of it. Yeah, yeah. Mugwort always burns slow anyway, which is good stuff. So now we got